Hey everyone, for today's episode, we are going to talk about our families. So if someone asks you, pila mo mag-igsuon, that person is basically asking how many are there in your family. So basically, how many kids are there in your family? So if someone would ask me, pila mo mag-igsuon, I will say, tulo mi mag-igsuon. Tulo mi mag-igsuon because I have two other siblings. So na ako'y usa ka kuya, which means an older brother, and usa ka manghud, which means a younger sibling. So in the Philippines, we have these terms used to describe our older brother or sister as a way of showing respect to them. So if we have an older brother, we call them kuya, kuya. And then older sister is ate, ate. Then the term used for a younger sibling, manghud, manghud. The youngest sibling, we call them kinamanghuran, kinamanghuran, which means youngest sibling. But if you don't have any sibling, you can say, ako lang usa ka anak, or ako lang ang anak. Or you can say, wala ko'y igsuon, which is basically saying I'm an only child. So as a recap, older brother is kuya, kuya. Older sister is ate, ate. Sibling is igsuon, igsuon. Younger sibling, manghud, manghud. And lastly, youngest sibling is kinamanghuran, kinamanghuran. Hope you learned something new today. Again, this is Teacher Joanne. Hanggang sa sunod. Salamat!